guys, it's the last day in accessory week. I hope you're all dressed up. It's Friday, May 29th, 2020. We're gonna get started on our math review. So remember, you need a piece of paper and a pencil. So let's get started. Number one, I want you to name three numbers that come before the number 89. So any three numbers that come before 89. Think about what that word before means. Are these numbers going to be smaller or larger than 89? Yeah, numbers that come before a number are numbers that are smaller than that number. So you can write any number you want that is smaller than 89. I'm going to write 17, 44, and 38. All those numbers come before 89. All the numbers from 1 to 88 come before 89. Number 2, circle the numbers, so there's more than one, less than 60. So I have 59, 81, 66, and 28. On your paper, I want you to write the numbers that are less than 60. Less than 60. So when we're thinking less, we're thinking smaller, right? 59 is less than 60. 5 is smaller than 6. You should have 59 on your paper. But 81 is more. 8 is more than 6, so don't write 81. 66. They both start with 6, but 6 ones is more than 0 ones, so 66 is also more than 60. And then I had 28. 28 is less because 2 is small. Oops, I made a mistake. That's more. I didn't follow my own directions. Less. 28 is also less than 60 because 2 is less than 60. Hope I didn't confuse you. I got confused myself. Everyone makes mistakes. 59 and 28 are less than 60, not 66, that's more. Number 3, name 3 days of the week. So there's 7 days of the week. I want you to write down 3 of them. Let's say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you could write any of those. I want you to write 3 of them. I'm going to write Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can write any of the days of the week. You can write them the long way like me, or you can write them the short way if you know how. All right, number 4, which number does the heart show? So my number line is right here. I want to know what number that is, the heart. I can see the number 10, and I can see the number 60. Yeah, this number line's not counting by ones. 10 and 60, there wouldn't be 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers between. What am I counting by? 10 and 60. When do you hear those numbers? Yeah, we're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The heart would be 40. This number line's counting by tens. Remember, you have to look and see how it's counting before you can figure out what number's missing. Number 5. How can you sort a group of books? So think about if you have a whole bunch of books, how can you sort them? There's more than one way. When you sort something, someone has to be able to look at it and know how it's sorted. So when I look at the crayons, they're all sorted by color. It's easy to tell. How would you sort a group of books? think about your own library at home. You can think about your library at school. Maybe you've been to the library. How are the books sorted? Yeah, books are typically sorted by like the kind of book. So that's called the genre. Like all the fiction books are over here, the nonfiction books are over here, fairy tales are together. So maybe you want to say by like the kind of book. Sometimes when you're putting books away, like in a shelf, I know Miss G and Miss Chrisman like to do this. They like to sort them by size. They like the tall ones and then all the small ones so you can see them. It's another way you might sort books. Yeah, you might sort them by level. I know I have a leveled library at school, and I have them by level, like kids that are working on reading pattern books, and kids that are working on reading books that are using the picture, kids that are using books to use other strategies. So I'm also going to put level. But there's so many ways to sort your books. It just has to make sense. Last question for today. There were 16 ants eating a piece of candy. Then 10 more ants came to eat the candy. How many ants are eating candy? So there's 16 ants eating candy, and then 10 more ants come to eat candy. How many ants are eating candy now? So the number sentence to help you with this one would be 16 plus those 10 more. When I'm thinking of the number 16, the 1 is in the tens column. If I get one more 10, I'll have two 10s. So that means I will have 26. There will be 26 ants eating that candy. That's a lot of ants. All right, guys. Remember, if you haven't finished all your work on Seesaw, get on there now. It's Friday. See you next time. Bye.